Hello and welcome to the Folk Music Academy. My name is Johanne Løkensgard Mjøs and this is Hardanger Fiddle for Beginners. We have tried to put together a group of videos that goes all the way from the very basic with tuning, with how to hold the fiddle, how to hold the bow. And we have recorded quite many exercises that goes on different techniques.
Next finger.
Like ornaments and playing on double strings.
First finger down on both of the strings.
And then we've also recorded a lot of tunes. Some are very easy and some are quite hard, so it's a steep hill, but I hope that it will be useful. Folk music to me is joy, I think. The joy of playing, the joy of listening, the joy of dancing to someone playing. I grew up in Bergen, which is in the west coast of Norway. So I play a lot of tunes from around Bergen. And I also play regular fiddle, and there I actually play mostly music from the north of Norway. It took me quite some time to sort of get the music into my bloodstream. In the folk music, I think you have to do all the musical things without doing anything to the rhythm. So it's a lot more work with the bow. In my course, you will find lessons in how to tune the instrument, which is a good place to start.
The first one is a B. Check it with this one. And if it's not tuned, use your tuning pegs to check.
I really like to watch my students grow, and I work mainly with children, and they normally start when they are between 5 and 8. And I really like to follow their journey from very beginners to professional players or hobby players. And when you've been playing for a while, you should find other people to play with. And you can join a group or you can start your own group. It's never too late to start to play Hardanger Fiddle, and don't be afraid. It is mostly fun. It's a lot of tuning. But be patient and enjoy. Eat cake and good luck.
And here you can see that we have 4 strings on top, and it's B, E, B and F sharp. And underneath I have a layer of sympathetic strings, and on my fiddle I have 4. But on many fiddles you will find 5 sympathetic strings. Ready, go! So we start on the D string and we will play 0, 0, 1, 1. Let's try it together. Ready, go! Open A string and open D string. So let's put it together. Ready, go! Cool, let's do it one more time. Ready, go!